Hello, friends, how are you? So, friends, the divine masculine is trying to say something in this channeling. From a long time, we were doing empowerment and self help videos, trying to make you understand the educational aspect of twin flames, the aspects of education related to the dark night of the soul, related to the obstacles, related to the patterns, as all of my viewers and subscribers already know. So, friends, today I was given a channeled song and I was told about some of the feelings of the divine masculine. The song was channeled to me in a regional language, and towards the end of the channeling, I will also tell you the song, and you can listen to it on YouTube, or you can listen to the clip of it on YouTube if you wish to. So, friends, what the divine masculine is feeling is that he has realized your importance finally. He feels very lonely without you. He feels very alone. A lot of darkness and loneliness is engulfing him now, and this is different from what he felt before. And how? Right now, there is no one else in his life, or no one else to help him out of his troubles like you did. There's no one to take his burdens on their shoulders like you did. I'm being shown how difficult it was for you to carry all his burdens, or to carry all the pain or all the darkness that he was projecting onto you when you were in a relationship or when you were in contact with him. Now he realizes that you were the only person who had the courage or the strength to take all those loads of his, and no other person is doing it for him. Because no other person or female is doing it for him, he has realized that you were the special one, and because of your special love, you were doing it. At that point of time, he was just taking it for granted. Now he realizes that you were taking all his burdens and you were listening to him. You were there for him in all ups and downs because of only one and one thing: love. And now he realizes how unconditional that love was. Now, when nobody is there, or he only has superficial and fake girlfriends or friends around, now he realizes that how pure of a soul you were, how pure of an intention you had for him. And even you did not know that you were capable of so much deep love. It was just something in your twin flame or something in the connection which made you behave in a totally pure way, made you believe in the connection, made you believe in the love, and you had so much faith in the love. Now he is realizing it is time for him to realize what he was feeling at that time, what you were giving to him at that time. Because now no one else is doing it. Because he thought it was a normal thing for you to do it. He thought every girl will be doing it for him. But now, when he has tried and tested 5 or 6 or 11 or 12 girls, as I'm being shown, varying according to various journeys of yours, now he has realized, no, it was not a common practice. It is not a common practice. She was only doing it, taking all my burdens, taking all my loads, making me be in peace, loving me, caring for me, putting herself in pain to make me happy, putting herself on a low vibration, on a low energy platform to keep me smiling, to provide for my needs when she was feeling hurt inside. I was not providing for her emotional needs, but she was providing for my physical needs. Thinking that maybe I have an imbalance, I'm not providing those many emotions, but I'm demanding physical needs, and she's fulfilling it because she also just has physical needs only, maybe he thought. But no, you were sidelining your emotional needs and still providing for him physically, for the sexual part of the relationship for many of you. And you were doing it only from your mother crux, the caring and the loving, tender energy for him. You knew that he is not providing emotionally, he is not talking nicely to you, he is not communicating, he is not taking you out for a coffee or dinners. and it had no financial aspect. Obviously, you can afford your own dinners and lunches and going out, but the connection was so special. You wanted romance, you wanted courtship, which you were never provided. So now, when other people are not giving him similar emotional response, he realizes that you were the only one who were doing that. Now he's not taking you for granted. Now he knows that he has to handle all the pain and all the burdens in his life because there's nobody to share his pains and burdens, which you were doing totally nonchalantly at that time, totally without asking anything back, because the love was unconditional. That is what unconditional love is. Without condition, you loved him. You had no condition that he will buy me this dress, then I will love him. He will buy me this lunch, then I will love him. He'll buy me flowers, then I will love him. In fact, there may be many feminines who were actually giving him gifts, and now he even cherishes those gifts that you gave him. At that point, he also took the gifts for granted, that maybe, she's just doing it to impress me, or she wants something from me, or the connection with me, or the marriage with me will help her in some way. These were his thoughts at that time, that she's doing all this, being emotionally there for me, taking care of my needs because she's a motherly figure, she's no good, she's not a hot and sexy lady, but she's just a motherly, caring person. She's taking all my burdens and all my pain and giving me peace and happiness because she wants this relationship is going to benefit her in some way, or she's going to gain something from being with me, image, money, or whatever, he thought, status. So now everything has changed, everything is crystal clear in front of his eyes. God has actually shown him the true picture now, So, like I said, the song was in a regional language, and I'll also put the link for you. These days, I don't do many channeled songs because my focus is on educating you. But when this came, I surely wanted to relate to you. ਕੱਲੇ ਕਹਿਰੇ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਾਲ ਲਾਉਂਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ, ਕੱਲੇ ਕਹਿਰੇ ਰਹਿ ਗਏ ਆ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਾਲ ਲਾਉਂਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ. This means that he is totally alone and there's nobody to actually hug him or to share his life, So now the energies are so alone, so lonely, that he is being asked to reflect on what he did, how he behaved, how he treated you. And another line of this song which was given to me, ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦੇ ਦੁੱਖ ਬਾਲੇ ਆ ਕੋਈ ਦਰਦ ਵਟਾਉਂਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ, meaning lot of troubles in his life, but there's nobody to share his burdens. So if you listen to the song in lyrical form, they will be singing it much nicely than what I am doing, because I am not a trained singer or anything. But it's a very beautiful song. If you listen to the whole song, it's even more beautiful. But I was just given these two lines. Kalle kare re gaya koi gal nal launda nahi, ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦੇ ਦੁੱਖ ਬਾਲਿਆ ਕੋਈ ਦਰਦ ਵਟਾਉਂਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ. So I would like to tell you folks that whenever these kind of energies come forward, energies of realization, energies of self-reflection, energies of actually looking into what he has done till now, energies of treatment, behavior, then reflection comes before uniting. Basically, many of you are doing inner work, and for those of you who are not, you should start doing personal inner work with us, and at least taking your personal readings and inner work list, because when these kind of energies of self-reflection or reflecting back on his past actions come, it's generally a very short window period before union, because reflection always happens in the divine masculine before union. So for whoever of you whose divine masculine is feeling in this way, he's quite near to union, or in fact you, if you're all, some part of this channeling is resonating with you, your divine masculine is quite close to contacting you. So before that, if you have not covered your obstacles, templates and patterns, it will become very difficult for him to actually give you that contact, even though he's self-reflecting. Please try to get my point. he's self reflecting, and after the self reflection he is definitely bound to contact you or communicate with you. But if you are not ready to receive with a positive vibration, if you have not done your inner work which was supposed to be meant for you, then still the contact won't happen. That is why I tell you inner work is very necessary. Every day some or the other client is emailing me telling me about the positive outcomes of inner work, which they did with us. So I will put some of those screenshots, for you to listen or read, so that you can believe, but I tell you it's very important and it gives really good results. So do consider personal services. And with that, folks, I'll put the link also, and you should listen to this sweet melody. It will make your day. Thank you so much.